welcome to Core Knowledge with Mrs. Jackson. Today, our continent that we are going to be going over is Africa, okay? And just as a quick review, let me show you our map right now. We've done North America, and that's where we live. We've done South America. We've done Europe, and on yesterday, you did Asia with Miss Bach. So today, we're going to do Africa, and Africa's going to be glued right here. It's under Europe and Asia, right here to this side. Okay? So I'm going to put that down, and we'll get started. Africa is the second biggest continent on the earth, okay? It has 54 different countries, and the most populated country is Nigeria. They have as many languages as 2,000 different kinds. So many of those languages have different dialects and things like that. So they have many, many more languages than we do here in North America. Also, I have a very nice map here. This is our map of Africa, okay? And if you've watched the videos, and if you haven't, after you watch me, I would like you to watch the videos, because one of them has a song that goes through all the different countries of Africa, okay? The other song is all about the 7 continents. So you'll get to review the ones that we've already done and know a little bit for the future, okay? Also, the African countries have lots of different flags, okay? Some of them even look a little similar to our flag, but they are all different and they are unique to each of their countries, okay? One of the very cool things about Africa is their great savannas, and they have so much wildlife. My favorite in particular is the giraffe, but they also have cheetahs and African elephants. And it's also the setting of Mrs. Jackson's favorite childhood video or movie, and you guys might know it, The Lion King. So from thinking about The Lion King, if you've seen it, I want you to take a second right now. I want you to close your eyes. I want you to think, what other animals might there be in Africa? Do you have some? I know I do. There's also lions, like Simba and Nala. There's warthogs, like Pumbaa. There's meerkats, like Timon. And there's hippopotamuses. And of course they have these as well, okay? So now I'm going to remind you that you need your glue stick, your scissors, and your crayons. Inside your crayon box, you're going to need pink for Africa. So we're going to color pink for Africa. We're going to cut it out, and we're going to glue it onto its place, okay? I'll meet you at my table. All right, so we're back at Mrs. Jackson's table, and like I said, we need to get our Africa piece. This is our Africa piece, and it says that we need to do pink. So I'm going to open up my crayon box. I'm going to find my pink. There we go. Pink. And I'm going to color it. That's okay if it's a little out of the lines, because I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to cut that off so it won't matter. Okay. So now I've colored it. I hope you scholars really enjoyed watching those fun videos and are learning your continents through music. Music is so important as well. Alright, and now I'm going to go ahead and I'm just going to cut this like that. So I only have to worry about My pink Africa piece. I'm cutting. I'm going to put my trash away so I don't make a mess in my house. And then I'm going to glue my Africa piece right about here. I'm going to make sure I open up my glue just a little bit, not too much. Flip my pink piece over and move my glue around. Okay. And then I'm going to remember to put it down, and if I see any extra, I might just scoop it in there and close it tight so that it's good for another day. Now I'm going to put my Africa down. There we go. There's my pink Africa continent. And so far we have done 5 out of the 7 continents. North America, South America, Europe. Yesterday we did Asia, and today we did Africa. So you have 2 left, 2 more, okay? We have Antarctica that we're going to learn about, and we have Australia left that we're going to learn about. Now that we've glued Africa onto our big blue paper, we're going to do our comprehension questions. And remember, I want you to answer these questions to your mom, your dad, your big brother, your big sister, your aunt, your uncle, whoever is at the house with you, helping you, okay? What was the name of the continent we learned about today? Think about it. What was the name of it? How many countries are on this continent? So again, I only said that once, so you might have to go back and look. Okay? What kind of animals live on this continent? I want you to give your person that you're talking to 3 examples of savanna animals. 3. Think about all the different ones we talked about. And what Disney movie takes place in Africa? Think about that one. You may remember it's one of Mrs. Jackson's favorites. It might be one of your favorites too. And do we live on this continent? Think about it. Do we live on this continent? Make sure you're sharing your answers. And as always, I love you, scholars.